thought I'd pop in really quick. I've got a lot to do today. And of course, I keep forgetting to put my gloves on. They're right there, by the way. So I'm digging up my Mangave, well, a few of them. I'm actually going to use this one in a autumn planter that I'm going to show you how to do in a later video. Thanks for joining me live here, guys. I just wanted to show you up close really quick what I did here. So I'm in pretty much a butterfly garden area right outside my mudroom. Oliver's with me today. He found a grasshopper. Too many grasshoppers this year. And anyhow, so this is a Mangave. This one right here is actually ink blot, which I've been growing for a couple years now. I love it. This one did something crazy this year. It actually bolted. Looks like an alien, doesn't it? It bolted a bloom. The bloom wasn't really much to write home about or blog about, but I will blog about it eventually here. I'm just so busy right now. So anyways, what I'm doing is, I just wanted to show you up close what this looks like. And, oh, I got rocks. Rock garden. So basically, this year what I did in a couple spots is I went ahead and I put the Mangave directly into the ground. And this one's doing really well. Now this guy's got some pokers. Most of my Mangaves do not have little pokers. This one does. So I like to take colorful rocks and I would prop them up just to make that color pop. Pink looks really pretty next to those, don't you think? Well, now it's time to dig it up. And quite a few of them actually brought out of my dome greenhouse in a terracotta container, made a little hole and sat them in. But for some reason, these I did not do that to. And I think it's because I got these new and they weren't in a terracotta when I got them. So I thought, what the heck, I'll put them right out in full sun. And they did great. So it's really easy. This actually is a clay soil up here. It's got some mulch, but just kind of get in there. You know how to do this. There it is. There it is. And let's get this out. Now, I noticed up in Michigan, where these come from, the grower up there, Walter's Garden, shout out. There's the roots. Did really well. And now this baby's going in my greenhouse. Or for years I have an agave plant that's huge, and I always brought it outside in the summertime, let it get pretty and lots of color, and then I bring it indoors. That agave plant today is huge. In fact, I've got it suspended above the ground in my dome because that thing has gotten so big. So these are cool. These seem a little more definitely easier to control and move around. And like I said, this one does have some prickers on it, but you can be in the north where it's cold and grow really cool cactus and succulents and agave like you would see in Mexico or New Mexico. Or I just fell in love with these in at the San Diego Botanical Garden years ago. So it's real pretty. Didn't this turn out like nice? However, these are not perennials in my area, so you will have to dig them up. But you know what? That was easy. And I didn't get one pricker in me, no pokes. Easy. And there it is. Ugh. And they can take a beating. So there, I've got others to dig up, but I can wait a few more days. It got pretty low last night. It got down to 41. And these did just fine. But I'm going to dig them up in the next few days because we got 30s coming midweek next week. But I've got to make room for them in my dome. So there it is. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to share that with you really quick. I should do a little walk around. Look at these blooming in October. I think that's crazy. It's not crazy. It's awesome. But can you see them there? Isn't that foxglove? I think. So pretty. So pretty. I don't think I can zoom back out. Nope. I can't on a live. But that's okay. I'll do a detailed video later, and I've taken so many pictures of this garden. Last year I actually had more of the rutabaga in here, but my rutabaga didn't make it through the winter, and I haven't been out shopping as much this year at the garden centers, just because everything going on, and so I don't have as much rutabaga in here, but I have collected seeds, so I'm going to grow seeds next year, just in case I can't get out again next year. And plus, it's easy to grow the seeds, but there it is. All right, well, I'm going to sign out on those Mangave. I'm actually using these in a succulent pumpkin planting. I'm going to show it to you shortly. I'm going to go get it planted right now. Thanks for watching, guys.